Title: Complete Guide to Building Your Dream House, Step-by-Step House Making Process. Description: discussed ahead. Welcome to my channel. In this comprehensive video, we'll walk you through the entire process of building your dream house, from concept to completion. Whether you're a future homeowner, architecture enthusiast, or simply curious about construction, this video will provide you with a deep understanding of what goes into creating a beautiful and functional home. 1. Introduction. Introducing the topic and its relevance. Briefly discuss the excitement and importance of building a house. 2. Planning and design. Explore the initial steps, including site selection and budgeting. Discuss the role of architects, designers, and engineers in the design process. Showcase the creation of blueprints, floor plans, and 3D models. 3. Obtaining permits and approvals. Explain the legal requirements and permits needed for construction. Discuss the importance of adhering to local building codes and regulations. 4. Foundation and site preparation. Detail the excavation and foundation pouring process. Discuss different foundation types, e.g., slab, crawl space, basement. Explore soil testing and the importance of proper drainage. 5. Framing and structural work. Show the framing process, including walls, roof trusses, and beams. Explain the significance of load-bearing structures and structural integrity. 6. Plumbing, electrical, and HVAC. Highlight the installation of plumbing, electrical wiring, and heating, cooling systems. Discuss the importance of proper planning and safety in these installations. 7. Insulation and interior work. Cover insulation installation for energy efficiency and comfort. Explore interior work such as drywall, flooring, and interior finishes. 8. Exterior and landscaping. Showcase exterior siding, roofing, and window installation. Discuss landscaping and outdoor features like patios, decks, and gardens. 9. Final touches and inspection. Explore the finishing touches, including painting and trim work. Emphasize the importance of inspections to ensure quality and safety. 10. Conclusion and your dream home. Summarize the key steps in the house making process. Inspire viewers to embark on their own house building journey.